The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 looks set to deliver meaningful upgrades for creators, with a new leak revealing several hardware improvements focused on faster controls, better usability, and expanded accessory support. While the overall design remains similar to the Osmo Pocket 3, DJI appears to be refining the formula in ways that could make a big difference during real-world filming. According to a leaked unboxing video, the biggest external changes are the addition of two dedicated physical buttons. The first is a new zoom button, giving users much more precise and smoother zoom control without needing to rely on the tiny on-screen zoom slider. This should make it far easier to adjust framing while recording, especially in fast-moving situations where touchscreen controls can slow you down. The second addition is a customizable C button, with the C standing for custom rather than center. This button can reportedly be assigned to different user-selected functions, such as switching between gimbal modes, enabling pro video settings, adjusting audio options, or activating other quick shortcuts. For creators who need to change settings rapidly while shooting, this could dramatically improve workflow and responsiveness. Another major highlight is the new magnetic attachment system built into the rear of the gimbal head. DJI is currently using this magnetic mount for a modular fill light, but the design suggests the company may be planning a larger ecosystem of magnetic accessories. Future add-ons could include compact shotgun microphones, extra lighting modules, or other creator-focused tools that snap directly onto the camera. Leaks also suggest the DJI Mic 3 may be bundled with some versions of the Pocket 4, further boosting its appeal for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. While these upgrades may not reinvent the Pocket lineup, they show DJI is focusing on practical improvements that enhance speed, convenience, and creative flexibility. With a rumored China launch on April 16th and global release expected soon after, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become DJI's most creator-focused pocket camera yet. DJI finally seems to be addressing that pain point in a smart, modular way. DJI is also redesigning the protective case. The new Pocket 4 case is smaller and more compact than the one included with the Pocket 3. While a smaller case sounds nice for portability, many users will be hoping this redesign also fixes one common complaint from Pocket 3 owners: the tendency for the cover to slip off too easily. Smaller is great, but only if it's actually more secure. Internally, the Osmo Pocket 4 looks set to deliver some major improvements as well. Leaks suggest it will come with 107 gigabytes of built-in internal storage, which means many users may not need to worry about carrying micro SD cards as often. That's a substantial amount of onboard storage for a device this small, and should appeal to travel creators and casual users alike. Even more impressive is the rumored 14 stops of dynamic range. If accurate, this would give the Pocket 4 much better control over highlights and shadows, allowing it to retain more detail in difficult lighting situations. For creators shooting sunsets, city lights, backlit scenes, or high-contrast environments, this could be one of the most meaningful upgrades. But perhaps the most surprising part of the leak is the audio setup. According to the unboxing video, DJI may be including the DJI Mic 3 directly in the standard retail box. That's a huge shift from previous generations, where premium accessories like wireless microphones were usually reserved for the separate Creator Combo package. Interestingly, the leaked packaging doesn't mention Creator Combo branding at all. So what does that mean? DJI may be moving toward a new strategy, offering a single premium version of the Osmo Pocket 4 with Pro Audio included by default. If true, that would simplify the buying process and make the Pocket 4 a far more complete content creation package straight out of the box. Considering how popular the Pocket 3 Creator Combo has been, and how often it sells out, this move would make a lot of sense. As for launch timing, the leak suggests DJI may release the Osmo Pocket 4 earlier than expected, with an April 16th launch date now rumored for China. Previous reports had pointed to April 20th, while US availability is still rumored for late April. Either way, we likely won't have to wait much longer. Now let's talk price. A supplier in Guangzhou has reportedly opened pre-sales for the Pocket 4, listing it at €420.47, or roughly $455 US. But before you panic, that price reportedly applies only to bulk orders of at least 2 units, meaning it may not reflect final retail pricing. So the actual official price could still change, and depending on DJI's strategy, it could launch higher, or possibly even lower in some regions. Which raises another question. What price do you think DJI should launch the Pocket 4 at? Would $449 be fair, or does it need to stay under $400 to be competitive? So the big question is, has DJI done enough with the Pocket 4, or were you hoping for a bigger upgrade over the Pocket 3? Let me know, because this might be one of DJI's smartest upgrades yet, or its safest. Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious where people stand on that. A hands-on teaser video of the Insta360 Luna has surfaced online, giving the clearest real-world look yet at the upcoming camera. The leak, shared on February 26, 2026 by trusted tech insider Igor Bogdanov, shows the device being tested outdoors in what appears to be an urban Hong Kong setting. The footage confirms that Luna is not just a concept. It is a near-finished product already being used in real shooting conditions. The launch is officially expected in the first half of 2026, with March heavily rumored. The video highlights Luna's compact design and strong stabilization. The tester is seen holding the camera with a dedicated grip, and most of the physical controls sit naturally under the thumb and index finger. This layout clearly targets vloggers and solo creators who need quick access without adjusting their hold. The rotating touchscreen is positioned below the gimbal. It flips out and supports swipe gestures, allowing access to quick settings, live preview, zoom control, and menu navigation. AI-based live tracking is visible, with automatic panning and subject adjustment happening in real time. This suggests advanced onboard processing focused on smooth framing and smart subject detection. A large circular record button sits in the index finger position. It starts and stops 4K recording or captures photos instantly. A long press likely activates burst mode or quick cancel. Below the thumb area, there is a joystick-style directional control. This allows manual gimbal movement, menu navigation, field of view adjustments, and framing override. Dedicated zoom controls work alongside the joystick, supporting up to 3 times optical zoom between wide and telephoto lenses. A power and mode button is placed within easy reach for switching between shooting modes such as single lens, dual lens, or preview mode. A red LED indicator on the grip shows recording status, battery level, and connectivity. Additional side switches allow quick lens switching between wide and tele options. The Luna journey started earlier in February 2026 when the CEO of Insta360, Liu Jingkang, officially revealed the camera name and first image. During that announcement, the company confirmed a first-half 2026 launch window. Soon after, an official teaser video appeared online showing strong depth performance and realistic background separation using a dual-sensor system. This depth effect looks more natural than what we see on the DJI Pocket 3. It may even outperform the standard edition of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which is rumored to launch on March 26, 2026 with a single-lens module. However, a full comparison will only be fair once the expected Pocket 4 Pro arrives later in mid-2026. Earlier prototype leaks in January revealed that Luna features a modular design. The camera reportedly includes swappable lenses and a twist mechanism that allows partial disassembly. This means users may be able to switch lenses or use the camera module independently. That flexibility could be a major advantage for creators who want portability without sacrificing image quality. Based on current leaks, the Insta360 Luna is expected to feature a dual lens system, combining a wide-angle lens and a 70mm telephoto lens. The camera should support up to 3 times optical zoom, enabling real optical background blur instead of software simulation. Video specs are rumored to include 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color depth, and AI-powered stabilization. Real-time portrait modes and depth enhancement are also expected. Internally, dual processors are rumored to handle automatic image optimization and stabilization. Wireless microphone integration is likely included, and multiple color variants may be offered beyond basic black. Pricing is expected to fall between $400 and $600 depending on configuration. A standard version may include a single lens, while a Pro version could feature the full dual lens system. Availability will likely begin in China before expanding globally. With DJI preparing to release the Osmo Pocket 4, competition is intensifying. Since both brands directly target vloggers and compact camera users, timing will be critical. Based on current information, the Insta360 Luna could launch before or very close to March 26, 2026. Everything now points to a near-term release. The hardware appears finished, real-world testing is underway, and official teasers have already started building momentum.